Okay, guys, time is up. Everybody knows your teams. Okay, guys, before we begin, I want to wish a very special happy birthday to Bentley, who's turning 7 years old. Happy birthday, Bentley, from Jimmy here at Jimmy's Breaks. And we wish you the best seventh birthday ever. I hope it's amazing. And your family wishes that it's also a great day for you. Okay? And Bentley in this break with the Bucks, Dolphins, and Niners. Good luck to you, Bentley. That's what. Mm-hmm. 10 packs. Good luck, everybody. Mark Andrews. Patrick Queen, rookie. Ravens. Claypool, NFL debut. Steelers, rookie. Derek Brown, Panthers, rookie. Russell Wilson. Edelman. Biard. Barber. Peppers. Freeney. Baker. We got a Tom Brady silver MVP, silver prism. Nice start to the box. Patriots going to Big D. Right behind it, we got a blue Mosaic parallel, numbered 49 of 99, going to the Chargers and David. Nice hit, David. We got another nice hit. Tom Brady, this time for the Buccaneers. Men of Mastery insert. The Bucks belonging to Bentley. Nice birthday hit, Bentley. And a center stage insert. Drew Brees going to the Saints and Danny again. Nice hit, Danny. That is a really nice start. You only have 5 of those silvers per box, so when you get one of Brady, I'd say it's a good start. Okay, Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame. Gabriel Davis, rookie for the Bills. Cole Kmet, rookie card, Bears. Joshua Kelly, rookie for the Chargers. Kid Report. Bosa. Hunter. Henry. Barry. Keekly. Peyton Manning. Tyler Boyd. And we have a silver Mosaic Christian McCaffrey going to the Panthers. Panthers belonging to Anthony. We have a red T.Y. Hilton going to the Colts, going to Anthony again. We have a nice insert going to the Packers, Jordan Love. Packers belonging to Big D. And a montage insert going to the Ravens and Chris Lambjack. Hall of Fame, Dan Marino. Lynn Bowden Jr., Raiders. Lambjack, Pro Bowl, Ravens. Van Jefferson, rookie, going to the Rams. Rams belonging to David. Eli Manning. Howie Long. Donovan McNabb. Marino again. Tyrann Mathieu. Emmitt Smith. We have our first autograph, Jeff Okuda, going to the Lions and Anthony. Nice hit, Anthony. First auto. Michael Thomas Silver going to the Saints. Saints belonging to Danny. Another nice hit, Danny. Hall of Fame, Randy Moss, red Mosaic going to the Vikings and Nick. Drew Lock, Stairmasters, Broncos. And a Mosaic Blue Chips, Nick Bosa going to the Niners and Bentley. All the comments stopped as soon as I started opening packs. Anybody here? It says there's a bunch of people here. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Mike. Just for that, here is a CeeDee Lamb NFL debut going to Mike and the Cowboys. I see you, David. KJ Hamler, rookie, going to the Broncos. Aaron Rodgers. Michael Pittman Jr. and the Colts. We got a Kid Report. Nick Bosa. Michelle. Tannehill. Andrews. Christian McCaffrey. Darius Leonard. We have a silver Mosaic rookie card, J.K. Dobbins going to the Ravens. Ravens belonging to Chris. Hey, I hear you, Daniel. We got a nice one for the Giants, a red mosaic Saquon Barkley. Giants going to Danny. Nice one, Danny. We got a Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald Men of Mastery. And a Edgerrin James Overdrive going to the Colts and Anthony again. What's for dinner, Danny? Nick Chubb, Browns montage insert. Browns belonging to Chris. Le'Veon Bell, Stairmasters, Jets. NFL debut, rookie going to the Chargers and David. The QB hit. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. We got Urlacher, Hall of Fame. Another Herbert rookie, this time his base rookie. Once again, David. Slayton. Sherman. Moss. A.J. Brown. Sanders. Calvin Johnson. Thurman Thomas. We have a silver John Brown going to the Bills. Bills belonging to Big D. Nice hit, D. And another Bills, back-to-back Bills going to Big D, a red Stephon Diggs Mosaic. Nice hit, Danny. Big D. Five packs to go. We'll start it out with a Gardner Minshew Mosaic montage insert. Jags traded to Mike. Nice insert, Mike. Russell Wilson, Pro Bowl. AJ Terrell, rookie, going to the Falcons. Cam Akers going to the Rams and David. Another nice rookie. Jeff Okudah, rookie card to the Lions. We have a Kid Report. Lattimore. Woodson. Dawkins. Fuller. Mixon. Hill. Aikman. We have a silver mosaic Nick Bosa going to the Niners and Bentley, the birthday boy. A Brandon Ayuk red rookie going to Bentley, the birthday boy again. Nice hit, Bentley. And a Tua Tagovailoa blue chips insert going to the Dolphins and Bentley with the trifecta. That's a nice set of 3 cards in a row, Bentley. Did we fill the second Bowman? I believe, you know what? I haven't checked my phone. I think we still got 3 spots left, Danny. Maybe somebody bought some. I wouldn't know right now. Bradshaw, Hall of Fame. James Morgan, rookie for the Jets. Chase Young, Washington on the board. And Nick, NFL debut rookie. Darrington Evans and the Titans. Devontae Parker. Steve Young. Rob Gronk in the Tampa uniform. Mike Evans. Ed Reed. Herman Moore. DJ Moore. We have a nice rookie card going to Mike and the Jags, a silver prism, Laviska Shenault Jr. Nice card, Mike. We got a Deshaun Watson montage insert. We have a very nice hit, a swagger, Odell Beckham Jr. insert going to the Browns and Chris. Nice hit, Chris. I saw online these were like one per case or something, so beautiful hit. And the last card is another beauty. This one going to Big D, AJ Dillon, NFL debut, 27 of 49, pink Mosaic. Nice hit, Big D. You screwed up, David? Oh, because of the Minshew and Laviska? That's how it goes. I'll be honest with you, like, I've never made a trade myself. I'm too scared to then regret it, so I'd rather just stick with whatever I got. Joe Namath, Men of Mastery insert. Steve Young, Hall of Fame. Keyshawn Vaughn, Bucks rookie. Calais Campbell, Pro Bowl. J.K. Dobbins, rookie for the Ravens and Chris. Kid Report. Donald, Rams. Kittle, Niners. Peterson, Vikes. Cooper, Cowboys. Vic, Falcons. Galladay, and we got a other autograph, Donovan People-Jones. Donovan People-Jones going to the Browns Falcons combo. And Chris. Who would have thought that the auto would come out of the combo spot? Who are your two randoms? Okay, Anthony, you have Raiders, Panthers, Colts, Lions, Broncos, and Seahawks. So Raiders, Colts, Panthers, and Lions. We got a Aaron Rodgers. Silver Mosaic going to the Packers and Big D. Chris Godwin, Red Mosaic going to the Buccaneers and Bentley. Happy birthday, Bentley. And finally, we got a Patty Mahomes and the Chiefs going to Danny. Stairmasters insert. Nice hit, Danny. Did you get that, Anthony? NFL debut rookie Jerry Jeudy going to the Broncos and Anthony. Cole Kmet rookie card Bears. Peyton Manning Colts MVP. T. Higgins rookie card Bengals. Got a Warren Sapp Bucks. Cam Jordan Saints. Mariota Raiders. Ertz Eagles. White Bills. Hyde Texans. Raekwon Bears. We have a silver Mosaic Marshawn Lynch going to the Seahawks. Seahawks belonging to Anthony. Nice silver prism. We got a red Christian Kirk going to the Cardinals. Cardinals going to Nick. We have a CeeDee Lamb introductions insert going to Mike. And a Stairmasters Mosaic Brett Favre and the Packers going to Big D. Last pack, guys. Good luck. Jalen Reagor, Eagles, Nick, rookie card. Polamalu, Hall of Fame. Tua Tagovailoa, rookie card going to Bentley. A nice birthday present, Bentley. Kid Report. Marshall Faulk, Rams. Rice, Niners. Tom Brady going to the Bucks and Bentley. Bentley with the Brady. Kelsey, Witten, Ingram, Hawkinson. We got a Mark Andrews, silver Mosaic, Ravens belonging to Chris. We got a nice red NFL debut going to Big D and the Packers, Jordan Love. Nice hit, Big D. We got a Josh Jacobs a montage insert. Ben Roethlisberger center stage insert going to the Steelers. And another Tua NFL debut going to Bentley. What a way to close it out. Happy birthday, Bentley. Wishing you the best. Okay, guys, that'll do it for the break. I appreciate you guys participating. Yeah, Anthony, you got the first auto. That was a Jeff Okudah going to the Lions. So nice hit there, Anthony, if you're still around. Okay, guys, I am going to clean this out and get ready for our Bowman break. So just give me about 5 minutes and I'll be back on.